How to change passcode on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. Now you can enter your passcode. And okay guys, sir, in Face ID and passcode, scroll down and you can see here the change passcode button. Okay, you can tap this. And now enter your old passcode. Okay, my old passcode is 654321. And now you can create a new passcode. Okay, for my example, I set into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the pop-up bar show and tap the use anyway button. And now you can verify your new passcode. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed passcode on iPhone X.